According to the prescribed book, in terms of platinum mathematical literacy, we will be looking at temperature in a lot more detail on its own in a separate chapter, but for now we're going to look at a few examples, right? So here we go. Convert the following, and you can take this down as notes, it's good exercise. 20 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, or degrees Fahrenheit rather. Okay, so if we go one back, remember if I want to go from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, then I use this formula. Fahrenheit is equal to degrees Celsius times 1.8 plus 32, and therefore I'm going to get the following. I write down my formula. Fahrenheit, or degrees Fahrenheit, is equal to degrees Celsius multiplied by the number 1.8 plus 32 degrees, right? So if I'm going from 20 degrees, I'm going to put this 20 in the value of C, and I'm going to say that's 20, right, times by 1.8 plus 32 degrees. Okay, and then when I get this, let's put that in a calculator. 20 times 1.8 gives me 36 plus 32. Okay, and that's going to give me 68, and that's my answer, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so that's example 1. Let us look at example 2. Let's put it in red there again. Convert. I want to convert 212 degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius. 212 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Okay, that's my second example. How do I get this? Well, I'm going to say it's the following. The degrees Celsius formula is equal to degrees Celsius is equal to degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by the number 1.8. Okay, so let's do that. I take this 212, I minus the 32 from it, and then I divide that answer by 1.8. Okay, so let's do that. 212 minus 32 gives me 180, and then I divide that answer by 1.8, and that's going to give me 100, right? And that's my answer, 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's look at example number 3 now. Okay, 20 degrees Celsius to Kelvin, and this is an easy one. We want to convert that to Kelvin, capital K, and we write down a formula for Kelvin. Well, Kelvin is simply the degrees Celsius plus 273. Okay, fairly simple. Degrees Celsius here is 20 plus 273, and therefore I'm going to get 293 Kelvin. Okay, and you could say therefore, right, 20 degrees Celsius is equal to 293 Kelvin. There I've done the full conversion.